Hi, welcome to the Wernberg Family Farm with Dawn and Brenda.
Tonight's an interesting night, isn't it?
That's one way to put it. With the whole stay-at-home order because of the pandemic, you can't get your hair done, so I'm getting desperate. So I'm going to cut his hair, which I've been doing for 40 years. But he's going to cut mine, which has never happened before, so wish me luck.
Join us.
Well, here goes nothing.
I did watch YouTube though, so I know what I'm doing.
Figure nobody's going to see me for a while anyway. We're all stuck at home, right?
Okay, you know my hands shake naturally.
I
It
know.
doesn't mean I'm nervous,
That's okay. It'll give me texture.
but I am nervous.
I know.
Most of the time it doesn't mean, but I am nervous now.
I said, if it doesn't turn out okay, we'll just get the buzzer out and we'll buzz it all
Okay,
off.
I saw
Who's
in
going to see me?
theory you like pull that up
And cut.
like that and then cut, except don't cut your cowlick. And you want me to cut a lot, right?
I want you to cut a lot. And don't cut my ears off.
I can do that. Okay, and then am I supposed to use a comb to?
It's up to you. You probably
But I
should.
need 3 hands. Here.
Well, you only have 2. Bet you can't wait to see how this is going to turn out, huh? Me neither.
So if this kind of comes down to the question, if you're in an intersection, you see a train coming and a car, do you want to watch?
If I'm wearing a hat in the next video, you know how bad it turned out.
Okay, so what do I do with this?
I usually don't have to hold the girl's comb.
Because they know what they're doing.
All right, well, let's speed this up so you don't have to go through all the torture.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, he's all finished with my hair. Now I get to do his hair.
Well, I'm not nervous about that because you've been cutting my hair for like 40 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I can handle it, so.
I think you can too. So what number, I always forget what number we do.
I think we should make it really, really, really short, like maybe shave your head.
Yeah, I don't think so.
All
Maybe
right.
number 3. Will I look bald with the number 3?
No, well, no, you'll look fine, dear. Trust me. Here we go.
Hey, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
He didn't do too bad, did he?
Now we can save, what is it? When you go to the salon, what is
I
it,
go to-
$5? We save $5?
I do go to a cheap place, but it's not $5. But yeah, maybe I'll let you do it all the time. We'll see.
That's worth at least $3, that haircut.
It's worth a kiss. So we still like each other. We have a haircut. We're ready to stay in the house again for another couple weeks.
And we're ready to go farming.
Yeah. Now I can work in the garden without long hair. So thanks for joining us for this interesting evening. See you on the next time.
Good night.